Namaste everybody. Now today I am going to explain our block printing, some plain sarees after printing how it will be. See this kind of plain saree which has given customers. This is a plain saree, full plain. After printing how this saree it looks, we will see by the customer's taste. We have printed this plain saree, yellow saree. This is a Kashmiri crepe silk. This kind of plain saree now we are going to print. We will see how it will be. The plain yellow saree become the block printed saree by the customer's taste. Already plain saree itself very beautiful saree. Just to be highlight that the border and the pallu. This is a pallu. This is a two-side border. According to the body color, we have chosen blue and pink color for printing. Simple printing, it looks better look. See, blouse is also there. So we printed blouse as blue small booties. This is also one more plain saree, that Kashmiri crepe. These are rust saree, rust color, very nice color. This, but it is plain. We will see after printing how it will be. The plain saree become block printing saree. By the customer's taste. The block is chosen by customer. This is a pallu design. We decorated pallu, the geometrical design. We used three colors. The rust, the black will be very nice. Black, green and self maroon. The three colors, the rust color, it suits. This is a pallu portion. The body portion is very rich. Alternative blocks we used. Geometrical designs, alternative blocks we used. full saree like this. This is a very grand saree. It has a border and a pallu and a body two color geometrical. This is more work. This plain Mangalgiri white saree. This also customer has given. See, nowadays we are doing job work according to the customer's taste. We have catalog. They can choose their own design. See, this saree, actually white saree, become full all over print. They can wear. By wearing plain white saree like this, they can wear, because the saree becomes full print. The full handloom saree. The pallu is like this Varli design. This is full Varli design. Very nice Mangalgiri saree, plain saree, becomes printed saree. See, it looks not plain white. You can wear. Varli design. Two color printing we have used. One is black and maroon. The small border we have given highlight here. The Varli border. This is our silk cotton saree, our traditional handloom silk cotton saree. This also customer has given. The pallu portion we highlighted small border in between the zari lines. The pallu. The body is, customer said, small motifs they have chosen. One is parrot and another one is peacock. Alternatively, we printed small motifs, full saree. According to the border combination, we have chosen the green in the body. The blouse, we have given small border. Simple printing. The plain saree become printed saree. This is linen saree. Nowadays, the linen sarees are very fashionable saree. See, plain saree after printing this like this. The small motifs in the body and the border, the big peacocks are there. According to the border, we highlight that printing. The beige color combination suits black and maroon always. So we have chosen black and maroon and our traditional peacock design. This is a pallu. This is pure silk saree. Actually, the border is there, the temple border. We have printed this kalamkari 3-color block. The colors we used according to the border, and the body we used small booties, and the pallu is also the temple border is there already. No need to print here pallu. And the body we printed two-side border. In between body there is small motifs. This kind of plain silk sarees you can give us. We do printing like this. There are so many designs we have. You can choose your own designs. The saree looks better, gives better look. I think you liked our block printing work. Please support us and subscribe us and share your friends and relatives. Our traditional block printing work we are doing. By your support and encouragement, We are here to work. Thanks for your support. Namaste.